L-esibizzjoni jisimha A New Gothic ta' Ġulja Holland huwa proprju studju li għamlet matul 3 snin tal-prattiku tagħha u tal-istorja tal-arti u bih qed toħloq metodu ġdid li qed tirrifletti fuq immaġini xjentifiċi, realistiċi u anke artistiċi u toħloq bihom serje ta' narrattivi u stejjer ġodda fuq it-tila.
Il-Gotiku qed jiġi riinterpretat minn Ġulja Holland b'kuluri vibranti u b'temi attwali fir-raba wirja tagħha intitolata A New Gothic. Wirja kkurata minn Andrew Borg Wirth u mtellgħa fi Spazju Kreattiv il-belt Valletta.
L-artista Ġulja Holland tirrifletti fuq ħafna immaġini politiċi, storiċi, mid-dinja tal-arti, mix-xena medika u bioloġika, mix-xjenza u tuża dawn ir-referenzi diversi sabiex toħloq stejjer ġodda u narrattivi ġodda li bihom l-udjenzi jkunu jistgħu jaħsbu u anke jispekulaw fuq il-futur tad-dinja hekk kif aħna nistgħu nibnuha bħala umani. Ix-xogħol ta' Ġulja Holland huwa interessanti ħafna għaliex għandha metodu ġdid, metodu innovattiv u metodu li ma tantx narawh. Hija toħloq kull pittura u kull storja li għandha l-ewwel f'serje ta' sketches li toħloq hi stess u mbagħad titrasferixxi dawn ir-referenzi għal ġod diġitali, taħdem fuq xogħol diġitali fejn kważi qed tpitter b'mod tekniku, diġitali, u mbagħad tieħu dawk l-istejjer fuq it-tila, tuża acrylics, charcoal, ħafna medja differenti u diversa sabiex toħloq layers ġodda għax-xogħlijiet tagħha.
My artistic process borrows a bit also from Helen Frankenthaler, who was this female artist who used to work with thin layers of paint, which used to pour directly onto raw canvas. Obviously, I'm incorporating that into a figurative practice, but what really appeals to me is the aesthetic of being able to look through layers. And so even though I use acrylics, I use them in a way which largely resembles watercolors nearly, with the drawing still being a very prominent aspect in my works. So in this room, I guess my favorite painting would be the one behind me. It's titled His Ominous Eye, and it was the first painting, even though it's a diptych, and strictly speaking, I painted them separately actually. One was back in Malta, and the other one I was painting during my time at the Royal College of Art, just before my degree show. And luckily, they happened to really combine well. But for me, it really represents a turning point in my practice in that I was able to kind of go much larger. And I'm just really, it's the one I'm probably proudest of. And it's the one I, in fact, chose to exhibit at my degree show.
A New Gothic ta' Ġulja Holland qed issir f'Spazju Spazju Kreattiv, infetħet fl-14 ta' April u ħadd tibqa' miftuħa sal-21 ta' Mejju. U fil-fatt fis-27 ta' Mejju ħajsir avveniment ma' artista oħra minn Londra, Whitfield, kif ukoll panel discussion fuq it-temi tal-exhibition u fuq il-proċess tal-artista.